The river should be right here, but nothing looks right. Come on, focus. Just one more try. I have to find a way out. East along the river. That's my best shot out of here. Fresh water. At least that's one thing going right today. Alright, keep moving. The jungle's got eyes everywhere. Alright, shelter's up. Not exactly 5-star, but it'll keep me dry tonight. Just need to make it through till morning. I can do this. One day at a time. Just one day at a time. Finally, something real to eat. Alright, let's hope this little guy can keep me going for another day out here. Survival lesson number 1. Adapt or starve. So close, I can almost see the way home. Just one more challenge, and I'll finally be out of here.